We've done a lot of different stuff. We were at a wall project, which we're going to import a bunch of photos right here. Beautiful wall, recon block, precast concrete walls. We definitely want to do more of them.
What else?
We had a wrap like 4 snacks before we even got here.
2 wraps, pack of Gushers, 2 brownies, a Red Bull, a Powerade. You're gonna kill me.
The shade's over there.
Oh shit!
See the shower.
I didn't notice that.
Trying to help you out.
Thanks, dude.
Safe to say I'm the biggest, the largest. Been stepping on streets since my mama stayed in them apartments. Regardless, my daddy told me keep the heat even when I'm in foreigns. I'm heartless, cause these niggas is hating on me just because I'm the biggest, the largest, the biggest, the largest. 30K on my riches for hard times. These niggas just mad cause they in my archive.
I want to thank today's sponsor, the team over at Blue Collar Marketing. They have partnered with us with the awesome code KWC500, so you guys receive $500 off the website. Regularly $2,500 Canadian, $2,000 with $500 off with code KWC500. These guys have done my website, and I can say working with them, they understand your business, they understand the culture, they understand what you're trying to put out there, and they do an amazing job. The thing with this premium site that they're offering is the quick turnaround. 1 to 2 weeks, 2 weeks max for your website to get it up and rolling so that you can get jobs, you can get revenue and start paying off that. You can also add on a bunch of different add-ons if you want 3 services page or a 5 service page or a blog and resource library as well. This team will cater your website to your business, and they know construction businesses. Go check out our website. Seriously, it's awesome. Blue Collar Marketing is pushing the blue collar industry forward. So go down below, hit the link, KWC500, $500 off your website. Shout out to the team over at Blue Collar Marketing. They do an awesome job. Back to the video. We started this week with our annual KWC Drive for Little Lives fundraiser, where we raise money for CHEO, the Children's Hospital of Eastern Ontario. This year specifically, the Hematology and Oncology Department. And we raised, I believe, as of today, a little over $27,000 for that. So thank you everybody that came out.
Yeah.
33,
That's what we need.
34, just under 3 feet. Probably call it the 3 foot
That's
riser.
what we need.
Told Kat to go buy me a broom.
Oh, you, Blake! That's a weapon right there.
If this broom went out on a Friday night, he'd impregnate a woman.
At least we have 2 flat covers here.
Smell material?
Yeah.
Yeah,
How's it going?
it's going.
How many loads you get out yesterday? Is Daniel keeping track?
Yeah, I'll find out for you. Daniel, how many loads we got out yesterday?
Oh, it'd be in your foreman report, eh, from last night?
He was still working when I was not. But he can't math.
22.
Okay.
Those are all triaxle loads. It's my microphone now.
Beep, burp, beep, burp, beep.
What's wrong with him? Stuck in Drake's car.
No, he's not.
I'm stuck.
Go get some grease. See, these things are built for like people that are 5'3" and under.
this thing on?
You're fired.
Get out of here, Jake. There you
Get
go.
that in. Make sure you get
I got it. I got it.
Guys sitting in the truck, they must have seen me as I was coming up.
So we're just gonna come up after and reshape this.
Yeah. That's good. So then you got to put the
Catch basin's going right there. So that's literally why I was just at my truck and these guys would walk over me. I was phoning Kat. I said, you got to send it. Like I told her this morning, I need the catch basin Monday.
Yeah. Looks good. Looks really good. Good job, guys. Getting a lot of material out of here.
Was there a big rock? There's some.
So I said to Kat, if we can fit like the 450 and the catch basin on the trailer, maybe you can bring them both out, and then we could just huck it in the hole at that point. Yeah.
So I'm gonna get like an 84-inch roller.
Yeah,
Like
send it.
Like a big one.
Fucking smack the piss out of it. And we're getting that Monday, Tuesday, Monday.
She said Tuesday.
Yeah, Tuesday's fine. And then we'll GA the piss out of it. So I said to Kat, let's can some trucks. We'll get some pups in here.
Yeah, I got trucks and pups.
And then by the end of today,
They're coming Monday. Get ready.
They'll be able to. It's not that much. Like on this, I'm hoping to be gone today, right? And then tomorrow, pups and trucks can just haul gravel and
tomorrow,
our
Saturday. I like that.
Yeah.
We're working Saturdays, baby.
Woo! Man, that 2 inches is like GA.
That's great that you're following it as per plan.
Yeah.
We might lose money on this job. Will Corey save us? Yeah.
Oh, Daniel.
Ah! What the f, Daniel? For f sake!
No, it's going awesome.
Okay, so golf question. Are we bringing our own clubs?
Yeah, if you have them, bring them.
You bring your own clubs.
Why would you not? Do you have clubs?
I've never golfed
Yeah.
before.
Do you have clubs?
No, I've
Yeah,
never
well,
golfed.
right, we'll get you clubs. Don't worry
If you
about
don't
it.
have clubs, you can't bring your own clubs. That's a dumb
Yeah,
question.
why would you ask that?
I was gonna see if I needed to go get.
Camera guys, dude. Okay, we are here at our commercial parking lot job where we got trucks hauling in right now. We got dirt going out. And now it is Friday. We have a bunch of rental trucks on. There's a total of 7 trucks hauling in this job. We're taking dirt out, putting in 0.75 of a meter thick of gravel coming in here. We got triaxles and pups coming Monday to bring in the remainder of the gravel, but it's going really well. Hopefully by next Wednesday we're wrapped up here. We can move to the next one, but the project is going really good. The Doosan is saying goodbye. We rented it for a month. It is going back to the boys over at East Rock, and I believe I have a Cat D5K, D5 high track coming for next week, which will be cool, so stay tuned for that. But other than that, this is a wrap pretty much on this video. Our merch is always available in the link down below. These hats are not available, but all the other ones always are. Our white Chem White Construction t-shirts. Have an awesome weekend. We'll catch you guys in 2 weeks with some D5K footage. And of course, I did not forget about you guys, the true page of the channel that watching it. Sorry, I have a zin in my mouth right now, and I feel like I'm a little bit of a lisp. Didn't forget you guys, the True Patriots channel, watch the entire video series, which is right now. And if you are one of those True Patriots, I want you guys to comment down below. Bye bye Doosan. Why bye bye Doosan? Well, it's actually a Devlon, but we're calling it a Doosan. It's going back to the boys at East Rock. So comment down below, bye bye Doosan. It's been a great video. If you haven't seen the video that we did on it, go check that out. It'll be linked as well too. We'll catch you guys in the next one. Take care.
That's a good clay.
Did you make a wish?
Yeah.
What'd you wish for?
Freedom.